Hi friends, it's Janet Eubank. I wanted to take you on a tour of all the products that will be coming in the Fresh Air edition of Simple Stories Online. Simple Stories Online is a brand new class event by Simple Stories featuring the latest and greatest collections from Simple Stories. We have 5 different events planned for this year, and the first one kicks off in March 2024 with the Fresh Air edition. This class will feature all of these fun goodies from the Fresh Air collection, and all of our events will feature collections that are different from the collections that will be featured in the Simple Stories Get Creative in-person retreat that's happening in September 2024. So if you have a ticket to that, the online classes will have totally different products. Just wanted to let you know that out of the bat. Now, inside your kit, you'll receive all of these goodies from the collection, as well as a 6x8 album. So let's flip through everything so you can take a look. Now, the 6x8 album that we'll be working with this month is the yellow snap binder. I love this. Here's just a quick sneak peek of the project we will be creating. Look how cute and fun. It's so chunky. Lots of fun pages in here that we'll be working on. I cannot wait. So that's included in there. I'll just set that aside. You get tons of paper. In fact, I'll go through the paper first and then we'll look at the embellishments. So I have unpackaged some of this already just so you could see everything. So you will get 2 full collection kits. We wanted 2 of every paper so that we could create some double page layouts. So that means you will also get 2 of the 12x12 cardstock sticker sheets. I'm going to go ahead and just flip through this. So this collection is so pretty. I love the colors. You have kind of a garden theme going on in some of this. Look at those cute chickens, but it's not specific for spring or for garden. In fact, most of the layouts that we're creating are going to have an everyday theme that can be adapted to anything. But look at these beautiful pattern papers. Isn't that sun and clouds just adorable? I love the colors. I love all the icons. You are really gonna love the projects. I love how they turned out. They were so much fun to make, and I can't wait to create them with you. So there are the 12 pattern papers. Remember that you get 2 of each of that. Then we have 12 sheets of coordinating color vibe cardstock. Simple Stories produces its own cardstock with a solid printed on one side. The texture is kind of a felt texture, and then on the other side you have a tonal dot, which I love. So you can use either side. In this kit you'll receive 2 of the robin's egg, 2 of the mint, love the colors, 2 of the dandelion, daffodil, not dandelion, 2 of the apricot, 2 of the peony, and then we will also have a sheet of olive and a sheet of white. So beautiful, beautiful colors to coordinate. So that is, so far we have 36 sheets of 12x12 pattern paper. You'll also get the full 6x8 pad. I'll flip through this as well. And so just look at those checks, the florals. I love this collection. It's so pretty. Has that punch of navy that just grounds it and just makes it so beautiful. So it's not too soft and sugary, right? Sometimes we get those really pale pastels, but this has some vibrance to it. I love it. So there's a look at the 6x8 pad. And then let's look at all of the embellishments that come with it. You also get the full sticker book. So we'll flip through that. Look how cute. The florals, the circles, I love the banners, the watering can, lots of tag labels and tabs, little sayings. Look at the florals, the butterflies, the dragonflies. I love these script font words throughout. So yeah, there are some spring phrases, but like I mentioned before, the projects that we create are specifically for spring. So lots of versatility. You'll receive a color vibe foam alpha in green. Isn't that pretty? And then some coordinating color vibe flower bits. There's tons in here. There's 143 pieces. So we'll be creating some fun 3D flowers with these. And then the coordinating color vibe buttons. I love these. They look like candy. For the embellishments from the Fresh Air kit, you'll have the chipboard stickers. Aren't those cute? So very happy. All the pretty dandelions and orange poppies, the banners, the birds. The birds and the chickens and the butterflies throughout this collection are like my favorite. The chickens especially, they just make me smile. So here are the foam stickers. We use a lot of these for titles. So Hello Today, Sunny Days, which is the front of our 6x8 album, Fresh Air, where we did an outdoor 2-pager. You know, I actually documented an outdoor concert that we went to. And then this, You Make Me Happy, and I use that to document some family photos. So we have the chipboard frames. These are so much fun to use with photos or journaling or to create shakers. We have the layered stickers. I'll just move that a little bit because of the lights kind of, you know, leave a glare on there, but hopefully you can see. There's the decorative brads. We have the enamel dots. These are the glitter enamel dots, so they have a little bit of iridescence to them. So pretty. And then both packs of the bits. So the bits and pieces with the icons and the journal bits. And I'll flip those over so you can see the images on that packaging. So throughout the month, it begins March 1st. Kits are shipping mid-February. Of course, you can purchase the kits until they're gone. There are limited spots available. So be sure to pick up your kit. You can find out more information at simplestories.com. And to purchase your kit there. We will be having the class in an online class platform as well as a coordinating Facebook group with live classes so you can chat and have fun together. All of the classes will be saved so you can watch them at your own pace. We're gonna have so much fun. We'll be creating 2 double page layouts, 3 single pages, a bonus single page layout, a full 6x8 album that I gave you a little sneak peek at there a minute ago, and then 5 greeting cards. It's gonna be lots of fun, guys. I hope to see you there.